Mm, dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Your boy missed day 4, bro. But to be real, guys, actually, this might be day 4 or day 5. I forgot which we're at. Well, technically, it might be day 6. So we've been doing days of vibe coding our business, viral.com. And we missed day, I want to say 4 and 5 because we've been testing stuff. But we've made a huge amount of progress, guys. So that's exciting. Just the first day, day 4, I think we had a small issue with Claude Code because we ran out of credits. We basically were at the weekly limit for usage and we couldn't use any more. We ended up using more a little bit extra usage, but it was a lot slower than our typical process. So I didn't want to stream that. It would have just been a little bit of delays and stuff. But anyway, here we are. I just want to make sure stream's good, guys, for today. So I'll catch you guys up on what's happened so far. So as you can see here, this is the website dashboard. Let me go to inbox. You can see that I've tested a couple things actually. So this is messages coming in. If you go on our website, you see our website here. There's some small changes that we still need to make, and I'll show you that here. So this is actually the website, guys. So you can see that this website that we're designing here is starting to manifest for people. So we're starting to create it in a way where it's published. Of course, there's still some design choices that we need to fix, and we'll work on that together, guys. So I'm going to show you what I mean here, guys. So you see here, we're going to edit this to be a little bit different. Let's do elevate your celebration, book a visit, choose layout, and apply changes. You see, right? Elevate your celebration. So I'm going to go here, guys, and you see it's still the same old thing that we had before, right? When I refresh this, right? It's still the same thing, right? But look, guys, when we hit publish here, we're going to hit publish, right? So website published, your website is now live and ready to share. So we're going to go ahead and refresh this. Boom, guys, right? As you can see here, this is in real time. When a person is updating the website and publishing changes, that is being done to their actual website, right? So I'm going to show you one more test, which is I'm going to book a visit, right? So I'm going to call you Timothy, and we're just going to use some fake stuff, some fake numbers, but keep the number in mind, guys. We'll do one thing to make sure, right? We'll do January 30th, 2026. Event type, we're going to make sure it's corporate event. Guest count, we're going to make it 100. And then the message, guys, for today is day 5. Let's go. Okay, right? So we're going to go ahead and hit continue. So people on your website can contact you. That's the first thing that we want to make sure of, right? So now people on your website can contact you, right? So the second thing you want with your business is you want to secure deposits or payments collection. So let's say for this specific website, it's a venue business, and you want to make sure you're collecting a deposit for the date that the person wants to reserve. Now, this allows you as a business owner to prioritize your customers, understanding who is ready to make a commitment, right? So it doesn't hurt to ask. And I think that's one thing that you should be doing with any business. If you're a barbershop, it's not going to hurt to ask customers to leave a deposit if they want to make an appointment with you. People already do this, right? And it's not mandatory, right? It's optional. It just allows you to understand who to prioritize. So for this case, we're just going to skip for now, right? So on this website, I'm going to skip. Instead, I'm going to see, oh, okay, I can schedule the appointment. I can do by phone, by video, or in person, right? So I'm going to pick a date and figure out the appropriate time. There we go, right? So we ran into where we are currently at today, right? You see this big O error in front of my face. And that's because we, of course, have to continue building this out. But I wanted to give you guys an idea of the concept. So now we're going to go back to the inbox, right? So we're going to go to the inbox, and I'm actually going to refresh because I haven't set up WebSockets to automatically refresh itself. But that's coming up soon. Make sure stream's good. That's coming up soon, guys. But as you see here, we got Timothy, right? We got Timothy here, and day 5, let's go. So we still have to fix up some of the stuff, but you can see here, Timothy, his all the details, corporate event, you know, the date we have to fix as well, because we did January 30th, guys, but it's 29th, right? So there's some things we do have to change and fix, but this gives you a clear idea of the concept of how your website that you're designing here and editing that's published live, right, can receive signals for your business that you can manage in the same exact environment that you manage your website, right? And it'll be the same concept, guys, for managing your calendar. You know, actually, there's a demo I could show you of what the demo mode looks like, but it has a better picture of the data when you're in demo mode. And let me do that here, guys, on my phone. I can't share my screen as well as I could, but I can show you something still, guys. I can make it work. Okay, so this is the demo dashboard, right? This is the demo dashboard. It's a bit glary. But anyway, just to give you guys a sense of what the calendar could look like, right? So we got today's appointment, we got upcoming this week, we got next week, we got appointments that you could look at, payments. Managing your payments is also going to be involved in a dashboard. So it's part of that 3-step process that we just looked at, guys. Like when people are on your website, they can, of course, open a message with you. They can schedule something on your calendar, a call, a tour, and they could also make a payment directly to you to let you know that they are highly motivated, highly interested in your business, and you can manage your website and your systems all from Vyral.com, right? So we're gonna continue today to vibe code on Vyral.com, make sure everything's kind of set up properly. The bugs that we just ran into right now, just like 20 seconds ago, all those need to be addressed. Let's see here. My video keeps going out because, guys, I'm connected to my laptop, but sometimes, for some weird reason, it always decides to just disconnect. So bear with me while I fix that up. Okay, we're getting webcam back. There we go. All right, for a quick second, I'm gonna make sure this is good. Cool. I'm gonna turn my video back on. Okay, guys, we're back. All right, so we got a lot of things to work on right now, but the core of it is making sure a couple of the key editing experiences are working properly. The big thing is styling. So if I have this, I want it to be on my website. I don't want it to be different styling. I think this is a layout issue. There's also the schedule appointment issue that we saw when the application crashed. So we have to fix a couple things when it comes to styling of the website and the actions on the website that's happening. So those are going to be a core pieces of the changes we're going to make today, guys. But I wanted to give a quick update on where we're at today and what things look like. And we will catch up next time. I don't think I'm going to stream this one completely. I think that is going to be unproductive for me, unfortunately. But I think as we do these updates, it'll probably be interesting to do more of these streams. I saw folks in the past actually trickle into the stream, so that was actually kind of fun. I had some comments and people asking questions, so that was cool to see. I think we'll do more of these as that comes along. But for now, we're just going to cut this one here. It was your boy Elijah. Thanks for checking it out. Vyral.com, VHYRAL.com, coming to your iOS App Store soon, very soon, guys. Once we get this launched on the web app form and everything's kind of hooked up and the signals are properly working, the goal here, guys, is to help you launch a business website in real time. And this is just you leveraging AI with a bunch of infrastructure in between that helps you do it very concisely. But it's just infrastructure. You can build whatever you want with it. We're gonna try to make it where you can actually build multiple websites. That's not in the roadmap right now, but it's going to be coming soon. So you can manage a bunch of different businesses essentially in one environment where you can manage one website, two websites, three websites for business for whatever reason. Especially for agencies, folks. Agencies, I think, will find a huge use case in managing different websites and using those websites for their clients and helping their clients manage, of course, the three important things: messages, appointments, and payments, right? So, all right, that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.